you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I have a cornrowing video for you all. Y'all, it has taken me like 27 years to finally get the gist of cornrowing, but I got it down and I'm going to show you how I learned, give you a little how-to, and then show you this cute cornrow style that I tried out on Malia, just because I wanted to kind of test out my skill and see if I could whip something up. So if you guys are interested and you want to see, definitely keep watching. So this is my mannequin that I got off of Amazon, and I'll link it down below if you guys want to get it. But yeah, these are some of the braids that I've been practicing. So let's just get right into it, y'all. Just make sure you section off your section for your braid. I think we all know how to section off a braid. Now I'm just going to part across a thin layer of hair, and this is going to be how I start the braid off with 3 strands. So when it comes to cornrowing, I've learned it's all about the placement of your hands and your fingers, which will really help you along the way. So I like to place the left strand in between my ring finger and middle finger, and then I will pinch with my thumb and index the middle strand, and then with the right strand I'm going to also pinch it with my index and thumb. So that is how I like to hold my fingers. Also, I do want to mention that I've learned cornrowing involves underhanded braiding. You're going to be putting the strands underneath each other. If you try to put them on top of each other, which is overhanded braiding, you're going to end up with a French braid, and the braid isn't going to like stick up and bulge out like a cornrow typically would. I don't know if you guys understand that, but I just wanted to include that. So we will be underhanded braiding, which y'all, I naturally overhand, so it took me a minute to get this right. So starting with the right piece, I'm going to take it and place it underneath the middle strand and bring that middle strand over so it basically takes its place. And then I'm going to repeat. Take the left piece, put it under the middle, and then bring the middle into what was the left piece's place. And then from there, I'm going to just set this right piece on top of my finger and use my free hand to add in some hair. So once I have my hair added to that right piece, I'm going to just grab it and pinch it and then place it under the middle strand like we did again. And then the middle will go over to the right. Now we're going to add some hair to the left piece. So I'm just going to use my middle finger to scoop that up. Then I'll pinch it, place it under the middle, swap those 2 pieces, and repeat. Add some hair to the right piece. And then I'm going to put the right under the middle, swap those 2 pieces. The middle will now go to the right. Add some hair to the left. And then again, pinch that, place it under the middle. The middle will now go to the left. And then we're going to just continue adding hair to the left and right pieces. So you add the hair, pinch, and put it under the middle. Put that middle over to the right. Add some hair. And then again, pinch that entire section. Place it under the middle. Bring that middle over. And then repeat. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this to see if you guys can get the gist of it. But this is how I've been doing it. So yeah, you guys, just take your time with this. It only took me a few tries, honestly, to kind of start getting the hang of it, but just continuously keep on doing it, and I promise you it's going to come to you. Now, this is not the only way to cornrow, but this is the way that I found the easiest from another tutorial that I was watching. And yeah, so when I first started doing this, it was taking me like 15 minutes to finish one cornrow, but now I've gotten my speed up just a little bit. So don't worry if it feels like it's taking you forever. Once you get the hang of it, it comes a little bit easier. So I hope you guys got the gist of that. Now back to Malia's hair. I had taken it down from the knotless braids that she had, which I did post a video for. So her hair wasn't completely dirty. I felt like I could style it without washing it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my Goddess Curls products, the Ravishing leave-in detangler, and I will later use the Divine Hair Elixir. Those are the products I will be using, but I definitely should have went in as well with our Enchanting Moisture Cream because her hair was a bit dry. I did not take into account the fact that she had been swimming and all that good stuff, but it's okay. We didn't leave these cornrows in too long. So yeah, I'm just going to start parting off her hair from ear to ear, and I will be doing some straight back cornrows in this section. So I am just going to spray down this first section of hair, which will be her first braid. Then I will detangle with my tangle teaser, and then I will add a little bit of my Goddess Curls Ravishing leave-in detangler just to add some hydration. And then I'm going to start cornrowing. So I'm going to kind of just fast forward through this since I've already shown you guys how I cornrow. But yeah, this was the moisture process, and let's just see how it turns out. So I'm just going to add some of the Divine Hair Elixir into her scalp because we do not want any itchiness or any flakes. And I'm just going to rub that on in. It's made with peppermint oil, tea tree oil, which will help to soothe the scalp, but as well as Jamaican black castor oil, which will help with hair growth, jojoba oil for moisture, etc. So this is the final look, you guys. And listen, my first time ever doing a cornrow style, I was very happy with how it came out, especially since I literally did this after I legit just kind of figured out how to do it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I do already see where I can improve and just, continue getting better with the cornrows. But like I said, I think it turned out good. She liked it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this helps you. I hope this helps you guys to learn. I'm always here to just help you guys out. Don't forget to check out my brand Goddess Curls, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.